Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be just doing more logs without the calculator. Today will be a quick day. It's very brief, just kind of a review of everything. Number one, or this letter A right here, all this stuff in words is just going to kind of walk through the steps. So the first thing it says that we need a same base of 5. So we change 25 to be 5 squared, and we change 1/5 to 5 to the negative 1. Then the next step is that we recognize that I can multiply an exponent raised to another exponent. So from here to here, not a lot's going on. We're just multiplying 2 times x and 3 and the negative 1 times that. And then the last thing, the big deal, is that I can set each exponent equal to each other once I have the same base. So then I get here, and then I'm going to subtract x from both sides. I get x minus 6 equals negative 4, add 6 to both sides, and x is 2. And so we have to do that sometimes we don't. So on letter B, a good first step is always to rewrite as an exponential. So x to the fourth equals 625. And then you take the fourth root of both sides, or you can just kind of be smart and clever and think, okay, is there a number that I could raise to the fourth power to give me 625? And there is. It's 5. Okay, on C and D, or C for sure, we have to be a little more clever here. So the first step, I don't know what to do. I'm going to rewrite it as 8 to the x equals 32. Well, crud, still didn't help me. So let's see if I can rewrite 2 to the third as 8 and 2 to the fifth as 32. And look at there, got the same base. So then I know I can multiply those exponents. So I get 2 to the 3x equals 2 to the fifth. Then that means my exponents have to be equal. I divide, and x is 5/3. Letter D, I got to recognize that I have a 3, a coefficient in front, which means I can raise that back number to that power. So I got log base 4 of x equals log base 4 of 3 cubed. Well, if I have log base 4 of a number equals log base 4 of another number, then those numbers have to be equal because of the equal sign. So that means x is just 27. Easy stuff. Easy stuff. Letter E is probably the most challenging because we have to draw in all of our different laws that we learned the other day. So on the left-hand side, I don't got anything to work with. Over here, though, I got log of 2 cubed. So anytime you see a coefficient, remember, that's going out in front, or going out behind, excuse me. Then I got plus, so remember plus means multiply, 3 squared. Minus means divide, 16 to the 1/2. Then let's just see if we can figure out what number that is. So I got log of 8 times 9 over 4. So 8 times 9 is 72, over 4 is 18. And just like that other one, x has got to be 18. Got 3 left, and then we'll be done, so. We're going to squeeze them in. Nope, can't quite do it. There we go. Letter A. Recognize that I have a minus sign there, so I have 5 to the log base 5. See how the same number now? So I should maybe be seeing something of 14 over 2. Well, I know what 14 over 2 is. That's 7. All that, bye-bye. Answer is 7. Letter B, same kind of idea, except I got a base 2. This is an 8, but I remember before I did this for 8. Okay. Oh, look, raised to a power. So I have 2 to the 3 log base 2 of 6. Oh, wait, I know what I can do with 3. I can move it there. So I have 2 log base 2 of 6 cubed. All that's gone. 6 cubed is 216. All right, we did bad enough. And then my last one, letter C. This one worked kind of like a couple of the homework problems from the past. We first work on the inside, then we get a number, and then do that, and then do that again. So log base 2 of 256. So 2 to what power makes 256? If you don't know, it's 8. So this whole thing is just 8. So then I'm going on. So now log base 2 of 8. 2 to what power makes 8? 3. So now this whole thing is just 3. Then 3 to what power makes 3? 1. All right. Good luck. We'll see you all tomorrow. Later.